is for the Spark Foundation. Now, as you know, Spark Foundation is providing internship, and I am part of the internship, which is script internship. Now, the first task for that is a score prediction model. For that, I have imported necessary libraries, which is NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and I am using scikit-learn linear model. Now, here is the link of the data. I am importing the data through CSV and I am printing the data. Let's cut this code, and now we'll run this so that it will print the head. Now, as you can see, there are two columns. One is for score, which we are going to predict, and one is for hours, how total number of hours. And now, as we have one column of hours, so the feature is 1. Now we will paste the code we have copied first, and now I have mentioned that the data contains 2 features. Now, scores, we have to predict the scores using OR, so the feature decreased to 1. Now we can show the shape of the data, which I have already mentioned is 25 2. So the data contains 25 rows and 2 columns, hours and scores. Now we are going to use linear regression in this case, which is our model, and we are going to divide our data set into training and testing. Now we are going to modify our trained data set and reshape it so that model can feed the data into itself easily. This just converts one-dimensional data into two-dimensional, which is easy for training. Now we will convert our train and test data set into X-train and X-test and Y-train and Y-test. So 80% of the data is for training and 20% is for testing. I have mentioned here the random state so that results are always the same. Now we are going to train the model in this 34th line, and after that we are going to get the predictions from this model.predict as such. Now we can get Y-predict, and after that we can check the model accuracy by using explained variance score. Now, the higher the variance score, the more accurate the model is. The maximum accuracy can reach up to 1, and the minimum accuracy is 0. Now, I can run this, but I also have to show you the last lines of the code. I have a sample of array which is 9.25. 9.25 is the number of hours the person is going to study, and we are going to reshape it according to which our model affects the data, and after that we are going to predict the predicted score for the number of hours the person is going to study. Now we are going to run this. Now this is the results. We can show you, I can show you the results. These are the results. The explained variance score here is 0.9577, which is a really good accuracy, which is 95.77, and the predicted score is 92.335. Now, if the person studies for 9.25 hours, he will get 92.335% accuracy. Thank you so much for watching the video.